What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dee and this is the Optimistic Network. It's been a while since I've posted a video, but I'm not gone. I'm here and I'm back with the videos. So my mom and I went to the Asian store on Saturday and we were just looking around and we looked in a fridge and lo and behold, there were old chickens, like those chickens that we're used to growing up, and it was everything like the older chicken. So she remembered that I really love those chickens. So she encouraged me to buy it. As a matter of fact, she bought it for me. There were two chickens in the bag, so I just went home and thawed them out and cut them up and clean them up and season them up. Child, I'm telling you, these chickens weren't even cut or gutted or anything. I cleaned even eggs out of them, just like back home when I used to clean up fowls. I seasoned one to curry and one to brown stew, and you better believe that the brown stew one is already gone. So I decided to do the curry one today. So it went like this. So what I do to start curry, I always do this for whenever I'm currying anything at all. I usually put a little oil, put some curry, add some garlic and let it fry for a little, and then I add my chicken because this chicken was frozen, as you can see, because I seasoned it since Saturday. So just imagine the flavor that's gonna be in it. So I added it to the curry and the oil and I cooked it for an hour, and then I transferred it to the crock pot. As you can tell, I meant Instapot. I transferred it to the Instapot and cooked it for 16 minutes. I pressured it for 16 minutes. So some people may be wondering, so you cook that chicken for 1 hour and 16 minutes? Yes, if you know, you know, tough fowl, hard to cook. Anyways, I transferred it back to the pot, added onion, jalapenos, pepper, some other seasoning. I taste it and just spice it up, and then I added carrots and potato, and I let that simmer onto my desired thickness and amount of gravy. And of course, you're not going to take it off until the potatoes and the carrots are cooked, which does not take a long time because, as you can see, I cut them small. And this was fire. It was so good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I miss you guys, but I'm back. And I hope you're all doing great. I love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Enjoy with me some curry chicken, tough fall, all fall curry chicken, rice, white rice, and what's that called, baby bok choy. I love you guys. Bye. I also showed you guys a little piece of the chicken. You see, I brought it up to the camera. It's really tender. It was cooked properly. If you've never tried old fall, tough fall, remember, you're missing out. I mean, you can't cook this every day because it does take a while. Because when I cooked the stew one the other day, I didn't pressure it and it took 4.5 hours. Yes, chicken meat. I love you guys. Bye again. Bye.